Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is like a follow-up video to a previous haul, or I should say to my last haul video that I uploaded. I was talking to you guys about the Petals in Bloom paper collection by the Paper Studio and how I really wanted to use this collection for some Mother's Day gift ideas. I also talked to you about a channel, Scrap the World, that I came across. I've actually been subscribed to her channel for a while, but one of her videos was a past video that I came across about how to construct a mini album in 1 hour. And I will definitely leave the link to her channel in the description box below, so go check it out. I pretty much tried to follow her tutorial to a T, including the paper collection. She used this collection on her tutorial, and I had already seen this collection at Hobby Lobby, and I thought it was perfect for Mother's Day. I just love flowers and hearts and things and shabby chicness, things like that for Mother's Day. And so I thought that was just a bonus that I could pick up this same paper pack and actually follow her tutorial to a T. And this is the first mini album that I made based off the instructions from her tutorial. It was super easy to follow, so I would definitely recommend you guys check out her channel. She does amazing cards and lots of shabby chic embellishments, mini albums and cards, so definitely go check that out. So I just wanted to share with y'all mine, and I'm gonna make more like this for Mother's Day. It took me more than 1 hour because this was the first time I constructed a book like this. Usually I start from already pre-made chipboard albums, and so I actually was able to learn how to, you know, make the binding and just construct the whole book based off of her tutorial. And so I show you guys that this will be the gift bags that I will be putting my little gifts and cards in, so everything coordinates together. And I'm just gonna do like a little recap. I had picked up these flowers. I used flowers from this pack. I used a flower from this pack, and I haven't used this one yet, but I bought these flowers specifically for my Mother's Day projects. I also used some of the chipboard stickers from this paper crafting kit that I talked about in my last video. So anyway, I'm just gonna open up this little mini album and just show you guys. I really don't want this to be a super long video, so I'm just gonna show you guys this. This actually came from the word memories came from a Thickers sticker set that I got from Tuesday Morning, which I did mention in a previous haul. I love Thickers, and this was perfect. This was one of the chipboard pieces that came in that paper crafting kit. Also this little butterfly. I just love the black and white with the burst of the colors. I just loved it together. I did take some paint. I painted this little wood veneer frame, and I put that on there, and then I just took just a foam brush, and I just foam brushed some paint around the album, which I thought was cute. Now I'm going to keep this one for myself because I did make a little boo-boo on the back with some pink paint that I had that I was using on some of the photo mats. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And so the inside, it has 5 pages to this mini album, and the inside, all of those papers come from that paper set, and they all coordinate different. And this is where I told you guys that I put the pink acrylic paint around the photo mats. I didn't add any flowers on the inside. This was my first one, and so yeah, I'll probably do more embellishment the more that I do these. I just really wanted to learn the construction of the book. But anyway, each page is a pocket as well. And here is a mat that you can add a photo. And in her tutorial, she used a decorative gem as a pull tab for this, and I thought that was a great idea. However, the next one that I make, I think I'm just gonna do a half circle punch, and then I will push this all the way down, and it'll be easy to pull up. So, and when you turn the page, there's a flap where you can have another photo here. You can even add photo up here if you like. And I added chipboard there. Just some of the chipboard stickers. Just pretty much a show and tell of the first album. And these are so perfect to go together in the coordinating bags for Mother's Day. Just a really cute little mini album. Brag book. It stands up like this. It's great to sit on a shelf at work or on your desk or even at home. It's a keepsake item, and I thought this was just a perfect show and tell for Mother's Day. So I just wanted to follow up and show you guys, because I did mention that I was going to show you guys the project that I made with this collection. And so this was it. I'm so proud of myself because some of those tutorials they're hard to follow, but I do want to say kudos to her because it was really easy for me to follow the tutorial. She had already mapped out the cuts and the sizes and measurements and everything. So yeah, that is the end of this video, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please click the link below to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.